if you plan to become a landlord in future, that is, uko na plot yako 50 by 100, ama 100 by 100, ama even 1 acre, and you'd like to build rental properties, there are a few factors you have to consider when choosing the right units for your tenants. Kitu ya kwanza, who are your target tenants? Kama plot yako iko karibu na university, unaweza amua utarget the students, ama utarget the lecturers, ama utarget staff wenye wanafanya kazi kwa ile shule. Kama una target ma students utawajengea bed sitter. A bed sitter probably 4 meters by 4 meters. Iko na just a small closet, a kitchenette pale, na iko na choo na bafu. The size of that bed sitter will be determined by whether iyo bed sitter unajengea student, ama unajengea lecturers, ama unajengea the staff wenye wanafanya kazi karibu na hiyo shule. Another factor is the size of your plot. Just because your plot is a 40 by 80 ama a 60 by 60 plot doesn't mean it is too small to have a rental property built on that plot. What we usually do, we come to site, we take our measurements and design data, and then design as per the size of your plot. Kama ni 40 by 80 na unataka 1 bedroom, maybe zitaingia 1 bedroom 2 ama 3 hii pande, na 1 bedroom 2 ama 3 the other side. But kama your plot is a 100 by 100 plot, you'll get very many units, probably 5 units, 6 units, and another 5 units. Depending on your plot, ndio utajua how many units am I going to have. If they are high-end units, of course utakuwa na a less number of units. If your plot is too small and you'd like very many units, there's what we call going vertical. Tutakuwa na ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, up to even at a 5th floor. The size of your plot is not a limiting factor, but the kind of tenants unataka kutarget, okay? You have to be very, very, very clear about who are you targeting as your tenant, so that hawa watu wenye una target uwajengee ile kitu angetaka. It's very bad ujenge nyumba alafu always mtu anakuja na kamezi 2 anapata a better house. Aikaa miezi 3 anapata a better house. No, you're supposed to build an ideal house for your tenant, such that ile kitu yenye itafanya hiyo tenant yako ahame ni maybe amepika transfer kazi, ama maybe kama ni student ni kumaliza shule, but not because that your rooms are too small, ama kuna shida ya maji kwako, ama maybe shida ya stima. These small issues that we can address during the design stage. If you're there and you intend to become a landlord in future, make sure you get in touch. Nikuje site tuangalie all your site dynamics, and then I'll be able to provide you with a building plan with a very, very specific layout for your target tenants. With the building plan now, I'm able to give you a budget. Nitakwambia kama ni foundation unahitaji 2 million. Kama ni up to the first floor slab unahitaji 5 million. Depending on the size of the structure, the kind of foundation you are dealing with, the kind of finishes you want your needs to have, such things. With a building plan and a budget, you're able to plan better and build better.